Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD. So in this video, I'll be recommending stocks for 11th March 2021. Okay. So, please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I bring the videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market. Okay. And if you want to check the performance of my analysis, then you can check the previous videos like yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay. So, the first stock is on the screen. And you can see that right now it is trading at 229.96. Okay. And there is a resistance available at 231.48 level. Okay. Market tried yesterday to break the resistance. It failed and ultimately closed below the resistance. Day before yesterday also it tried, and before that also it tried, but it failed. Okay, it failed. So for 3 days in a row, it has failed to cross the daily resistance, and every time it is closing below the below the resistance. So what should be the strategy for the day? Okay, today, if you get the stock below 229 level, okay, then you can short the stock. Okay, in case there is a gap down opening, okay, if the stock opens below 229 level, then wait for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes also, if you see that okay, the selling pressure is there, then you can short the stock. Otherwise, if the stock opens above 229 level, then wait for the stock to come down below 229 level. If during the session, if you see that okay, it has crossed the level, it has uh, broken the support. Okay, so you can do one thing, wait for 15 or 30 minutes at least. Okay, let the support become the resistance, okay, so that you get the confirmation. Once you get the confirmation, you can short the market below 229 level. And the next stock for the day is JP Morgan Chase. For JP Morgan Chase, you can see that market is a beautiful uptrend. Okay, there is no doubt. And JP Morgan Chase was also trying very hard for last 4-5 days to close above the daily resistance, which was at 153.6 level, but it failed every time. Okay, but ultimately yesterday it succeeded in giving a closure above the daily resistance, so that's a good sign for JP Morgan Chase. So what should be the strategy for JP Morgan Chase? We will go for buy once we get the stock above 156.10 level. In case there is a gap up opening, simple strategy, wait for 30 minutes. If you see that after 30 minutes the buying pressure is there, bulls are dominating the market, then you can go ahead and buy. On the other hand, if you see that it has opened below 156.10 level, then let the market cross the 156.1 level. Once it crosses the level, wait for 15-30 minutes. If you after 30 minutes also, if you see that price is trading comfortably above 156.10 level, go ahead and buy. So 156.10 is the level that you need to watch today. The third stock is ABT, Abbott Laboratories. For Abbott, you can see that yesterday it tried to cross the daily resistance at 118.6 level. It failed and ultimately closed below the daily support, okay, at 115.88 level. Day before yesterday also it tried to cross, but it failed. So the strategy is simple for Abbott. If you get the stock below this level, okay, this is the safest level to short the stock, 114.7. 114. If you get the stock below 114.7 level, you can short the stock for target of 112.5. Because looking at the candle and the price rejection from above for last 2 days, so the selling pressure may still continue. So you can short the stock below 114.7 for a target of 112.5. So the next stock is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil, also you can see that the stock is a beautiful uptrend, and day before yesterday there was some selling pressure on the stock. Still it managed to close above the daily resistance, and yesterday it took support at 60 level or the daily resistance, and it went up till 61.77. Simple call for ExxonMobil. Buy the stock above 61.8 level. Okay, if you get the stock above 61.8 level, buy. If there is a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes, then buy. Simple. And the last stock for the day is Procter & Gamble, PG. For PG, you can see that it it is in a range for the last 3 days. Okay, right now trading at 127.34 level. Okay, there is a resistance at 128.8 level and support at 125.30 level. It is caught between these range. So if you get the stock above 128.8 level, buy. If you get the stock below 125.3 level, sell. Simple. Okay. Just make sure that the price is being supported by volume. If there is a gap up open, okay, if there is a gap up open, okay, then wait for 30 minutes. If there is a gap down open, again wait for 30 minutes. And this is your no trading zone. If you get the stock in between this range, you do not need to trade. This is your no trading zone. In case there is a gap up during the session, just make sure the price is being supported by volume. Let the resistance become the support, then only buy. Okay. And this will be your target. In case price gives a breakdown or breakout towards the downside, again make sure that the price is being supported by volume. In case you see that yes, there is some selling pressure and market is about to go down, you can short the market, okay, below this line for a target of 122. So these are the stocks where you can make money on 11th March 2021. So thank you so much. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. I'll be coming again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis and stocks. Thank you so much. See ya tomorrow. Good luck and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.